Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to use Remote Lab. First, we will need to sign up to the system. Click the Login button. A standard sign up page will pop up on the screen. Please enter your information to create your account. As a tip, if you want to create courses and exercises, you have to choose Teacher as the member role. Once you click the Sign Up button, you will receive an email to confirm your information. After that, you can log into the system using your credentials. Now, we can click the Try for Free button for the demo. Let's leave the default selection, which is the 1D helicopter. And next, press Go. You will see a daily booking schedule list. The time slots are in GMT, and here you can see the live GMT time. Navigate down the page, and book the available session time suitable for you. Our info is already filled in, and we only need to click the button to proceed. Our booking is processed, and we can see it here in our bookings list. The time will be up soon, and meanwhile, let's finalize our preparations. Now let's prepare our application software, which is MATLAB Simulink. Click the My Files button located here. It will bring us to our library where the demo files and other exercise files are stored. Next, click the Helicopter MATLAB Files button, follow the link, and click Download button to download the necessary files. After that, you may minimize your browser temporarily. Open MATLAB now. In MATLAB, navigate to the location where we have downloaded the file named copterquickstart.slx, which actually is a Simulink model. Once MATLAB loads the Simulink model, you will see a ready-to-use Simulink UI. Now, please open the Hardware tab of Simulink and click on the Hardware Settings button. It will take a short moment to load this dialog. Once it is loaded, select the Hardware Implementation item from the left-hand side menu and click the drop-down button indicating the target hardware resources. You should see an information pane, which we will be filling with data shortly. Please note, if you don't see this menu, make sure that you have installed the Raspberry Pi package for Simulink and restarted the MATLAB software. Next, please open or maximize the Remote Lab webpage again. And click on the My Bookings button to open your booking. Click the Start Session button to start your Remote Lab session. This new page is important for us. We will use these server values in the Simulinks page. Please copy and paste the values one by one. Note that the username will be Pi always, so you may not need to copy and paste this after the first time. As we filled all the data, click Apply and OK buttons to close the settings page. We are good to go. Now, open or maximize the Simulink diagram and hit the Monitor and Tune button. Our code will get compiled for the Raspberry Pi controller to use. This process will take some time, and it also depends on the speed of your PC. After the compilation completes successfully, the code generation report will pop up. Press the OK button to close this screen. If you look at the timer, you will notice that the simulation has already started. It is counting up, meaning that we have a live connection with the plant. But before playing with the knobs and parameters, let's open the video stream and see the status of our plant. Once you see the video, bring up the Simulink diagram. And now, it is time to play with the system. Toggle the Action and Motor Enable buttons. This will start the DC motor, and also enables the controller algorithm to control the plant. Notice how the plant behaves, by observing the video stream. Now let's change the integral coefficient, Ki, a bit, and observe the change in our plant. Well done! We have successfully completed running the demo session. Now, you may check the Courses section to learn more about this diagram and the importance of the coefficients. But for the time being, let's finish this exercise by turning off our controller and the motor. Thank you for watching, and why don't you give a try now? Please share your comments or questions through the forum pages. See you around.